Hello and welcome to Stellar Investor's Guide to Getting Started with Coinbase. Coinbase offers a user-friendly platform for cryptocurrency trading with several key features for managing all your digital assets. Here's a breakdown of the essential functions you need to know to get started, which are account setup, platform navigation, buying and selling functions, and withdrawals. All right, first off is setting up your account. Setting up a Coinbase account involves downloading the app, providing personal information for verification, and linking payment methods such as PayPal, bank accounts, or cards. The verification process typically takes just a few minutes, and I've put a link in the description, where you can access the app and receive up to $200 in free crypto for signing up with an initial qualifying purchase. So once you sign up, you'll navigate to the app and you'll see its interface homepage displaying cryptocurrency price watch lists and trending assets, along with relevant navigation menu, where users can access their profile settings, notifications, portfolio, and more. And don't forget the Learn About Crypto section, where Coinbase users get paid in free crypto to learn more about blockchain and exciting new digital assets, which gets deposited straight into your Coinbase account upon completion of each lesson. Okay, so let's get into how to trade crypto on Coinbase. Coinbase supports multiple transaction types. The platform includes a quick access menu for buying, selling, and converting crypto. First up is buying. Users can purchase cryptocurrencies through the trade menu, selecting their desired amount and reviewing associated fees before confirmation. Next is selling. Cryptocurrency sales can be initiated in the same location, with proceeds being deposited to your available cash in the form of USD or USDC, which is a digital dollar directly pegged to the dollar. And finally, converting. Users can exchange one cryptocurrency for another through the conversion feature, with real-time rate calculations and fee previews. In order to deposit cash or withdraw funds, users must first link and verify a bank account through a small deposit verification process. Once verified, deposits and withdrawals can be made on the home screen by selecting the desired amount and accepting applicable fees. This process is very fast for both deposits and instant withdrawals. So again, it's highly liquid and easy to add cash to your portfolio and cash out when needed. This is also the area where you can send and receive crypto as payments. All right, so there you have it, a quick guide to getting started on Coinbase. This platform offers a streamlined approach to cryptocurrency buying, selling, and converting, suitable for both beginners and experienced users. With clear fee structures and verification processes in place, it is by far the most trusted name in crypto. If you're serious about jumping in and getting started on your crypto journey, I recommend clicking through the link below to take advantage of Stellar Investors' partnership with Coinbase and the initial free $200 bonus crypto you will receive for signing up with a qualifying purchase through the link. And if you're not sure what to buy, start with Bitcoin and hold it forever. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.